Dude, what's up with the shoes? We're on duty.
Dude, I'm trying to fix my sock tan. I need to do a love scene.
Well, don't look at me, pal.
You wish. I'm serious. I need to do a proper romantic love scene with a leading lady.
There are better ways of getting a date.
Look, I'm not the meathead role kind of guy. I'm more of a, my wife has amnesia and I need her to fall in love with me again.
So for once you have a plan.
Just so happens I do. This time we're going undercover.
Really? What do you know about being a lifeguard?
How hard could it be?
I'm in. Just got a text from homeless Mike.
What'd he say?
Said he just jumped on a flight to Paris.
What? Really? Anything else?
Says she's a wrestling fan. Use that if we get into trouble.
Huh.
Thanks for coming, guys. Nice swimsuits.
Hey, we take lifeguarding serious.
Not that serious.
So why don't we begin?
Whatever. How do we start?
Do you have a volunteer?
Yeah, Reagan, you'll do it.
I've always wanted to do this. Hi.
Reagan, is it?
Yep, that's my name.
After our greatest present.
Who?
Forget it.
What are you talking
Hold the
about?
camera. We document all our training sessions.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay. So, Nikki, would you please lie down on the towel and I will demonstrate a resuscitation technique.
Okay.
I would have started with the Heimlich maneuver.
Really? Okay, cue ball.
I think she just broke a rib.
Any other bright ideas, Powder?
Would you stop?
Hurry up and get the scene, Romeo.
Look, I'm picking my spot. I can't rush this.
Get some balls and figure it out.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl.
Jesus.
So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be really hard and we're going to have to work at this every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you, every day, you and me forever. Will you do something for me, please? Picture your life from now, 30 years from now, 40 years from now. What's it look like? If it's with him, go. Go. I've lost you before, I can do it again. If it's what I thought you really wanted, but don't you take the easy way out.
I've seen The Notebook,
Oh.
and not the smoothest pickup line ever.
No, please don't misunderstand. You know, I just wanted to film you while I was...
Wow, and I figured him for the perv.
Oh! Do something.
Try wrestling.
I am a real American.
Do you fight for the rights of every man?
Fight for what's right!
Fight for your life!
All right, you two may not be total shitheads.
Okay.
Too soon.
Ah!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pour a little sugar on it. Oh, yeah. Pour a little sugar on it, honey. Pour a little sugar on it.
I would have started with the, Heimlich.
Yeah, pour a little sugar on it, honey. Ah, sugar. Honey, honey.
Sorry.